In order to keep up with the fast-paced world today, our lifestyle has definitely changed a lot. We are spending more time commuting, working, and taking care of our loved ones. Our routines are very much different compared to just a few decades ago, becoming more hectic and occupied. Hence, many of us struggle to maintain a balanced lifestyle with a healthy diet. Throughout the day, it is always tempting to resort to unhealthy fast food or even skipping a meal entirely. In the long term, this will impact our lives negatively, causing a multitude of health issues such as obesity and gastritis. With that in mind, the R&D division of Phytoscience has specially combined the technology from Spain and France to formulate a plant-based dietary supplement meal and an accompanying botanical beverage tailored to ensure a balanced diet suitable for the modern lifestyle. We are proud to present to you Nuforte Lipocal Spain and Nulite Nuforte France, both formulated from natural plant-based ingredients and packed with vitamins and minerals, along with dietary fibers and probiotics, resulting in our daily diet that is not only filling but improves the digestive system as well. For a healthier lifestyle, it is recommended to 1. Drink 3 liters of water daily. 2. Exercise for 30 minutes. 3. Sleep at least 7 hours. 4. Reduce sugar and carbohydrate intake. And of course, 5. To take Nuforte and Nulite daily. Long-term consumption of Nuforte and Nulite will lower the risk of many health issues related to the digestive system, such as constipation, obesity, and high cholesterol. You will also feel more energetic throughout the day as the result of a healthy and robust digestive system. With quick access to a convenient meal that is both filling and tasty, we will have more and more quality time to spend with our loved ones, with a more youthful and healthier outlook. Phytoscience, Nuforte and Nulite.